Ziyihambela kahle i-MK lensuku ibamba ofisha abakhulu lana ubonakala uJacob Zuma behlele emhlanga beshaya istrategy sama elections noNathi Nhleko umkhuzi wamaphoyisa ngesikhathi sakhe uZuma esaphethe ku-ANC uyaziwa kubaba uNhlaka lo Unhleko ukuthi umuntu ohlakaniphile impela agcinanga lapho nalapha eNewcastle ontombela bonke yathiwa impela noNhlanhlazwane sebeyabonakala besesigungwini esiphezulu sabantu abama-strategist kanjalo nalapha yakwamaphumulo amakhansela amaningi no-deputy mayor sebebonakalile bejoyine i-ANC bejoyine i-MK i-ANC yasithakatha bejoyine i-MK kodwa-ke akaneme ngempela futhi ulentuzane laphaya ufikile embalulu esijiwe ANC ukuthi iwinile MK ake simuze.
We have not made Jacob Zuma our manifesto. We've got a manifesto. We don't talk about, he talk about us every day. Which manifesto has he put across? And have he addressed himself to the people? That shows you the crisis of the mob and opportunism. There's nothing there. And you will never find anything. If there's anything that will come out of that particular Zuma party, it's just going to be a concoction, which is basically a critique of what they believe should happen in the ANC. So we're still there.
We are here today because we took a decision as the National Executive Committee to challenge the formation of a party called Umkhonto Wesizwe by Jacob Zuma. He announced it on the 16th of December. The decision to form this party was taken long time ago.
Here in this case, we are arguing against the IEC together with Jacob Zuma's party, which defend them stealing the logo and at the same time the symbol of the ANC, which is well known. So, in simpler terms, we will not be here if Zuma named this party Jacob Zuma Msholozi party. We wouldn't be here. We'll just accept that he has left. If Zuma has got credibility on his own, why is he not standing on his own? Why does he take symbols of the ANC? If he's got credibility and standing in society, and he believes in his moral standing in South Africa, why is he not forming a party outright and taking symbols of the ANC?